So I am putting it down outside for today. Some scrap and crap. One aluminum TV stand. Some steel. Some aluminum. Some copper and some CBMs. Sorry for the lack of video for 1 day or so. I just had too darn much to do. I have cleaned up, scrapped all the TVs, almost all TV tables, all clothes iron tables. Cleaning some cables, a lot of cables left to do. I will remove the plastic and other crap from the TVs, steel, and I'm gonna put them away. And it has been a few steel bits. Some aluminum, some steel, then I have some copper and brass inside, around a bit over 12 lbs of copper, and I think it will be like 6 more of it. So it will be some nice payout when I'm hauling it in. Yesterday I would have get more done, but moving the next scrapping project didn't get a success, and it will be moved next week, and then next weekend it will be start scrapping, and the copper from that wagon I think I will throw in before I sell it. So I have a nice copper haul. Well, I gonna see later in some other videos. I will upload one with the next project and some stuff. So I will see you in another video.